taking you to go to do some Christmas shopping with me because it's only a month away from Christmas. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Like, time just goes by so fast. Anyway, we will be heading off to Seoul today, and also I'm going to be doing a bit of shopping for Thailand as well, because next week I'm going to be flying back home and I will actually be spending my Christmas over there as well. So yay, I'm really excited. Today's mission is Christmas shopping, so yeah, let's go.
Such a love, but something in me knew that it was real.
Okay, so we just reached Seoul right now, and oh my god, it just started snowing like hell as soon as we reached. I wanted to go to Insadong, but then I found out from a taxi driver that there might be some sort of protest going on around there. So not sure yet if we are able to even go around there or if the roads are going to be closed off or anything. I have to show you guys how heavily it's snowing right now. It's no joke. It's crazy. And it's the first time we see snow in Korea as well, so that's cool.
Remember the way you made me feel such a love, but something in me knew that it was real. Frozen in my head, pictures I'm living through for now, trying to remember all the good times. Our life was cutting through so loud, memories are playing in my diamond. I hate this part, paper hurts.
Where are you from?
US, Thailand.
US, Thailand?
Yes.
Hello, Sawadika.
Oh, 사와디카.
First, long time ago, Korea Kings eaten TV screen. Made of this. Namhung. Pancakpot.
Pancakpot. Wait, speaking in Thai.
Namhung. Fermented.
Nampung. Okay, honey.
Can.
He's speaking in Thai.
Now in Fanhak.
Fanhak. Okay.
So, they will make a hole. Now making 16,000 strings. Like batai.
Pad Thai.
Stretching, little by little.
Like Pad Thai.
Stretching, little by first one, double two, double four,
Wow.
8, 16, 32, 16, 4, 128, 256, 512, and medium size, 1020. I'll show you next day. Dividing half. Outside namhung, inside this nut. Blah blah blah, the nut. And one.
The rolling.
Very delicious. Alloy.
Alloy. Yes. Alloy Mac. Okay.
I give a little some chim.
Chim. Okay. Chim.
So you like it, but you don't like it, nobody you choice.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Crunch, right? But nuts is a little dry and sticky. So with the coffee and green tea, we do song beer. With the song and beer with tea and coffee.
Oh, with tea.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not too sweet. It's good.
It's good.
Oh, thank you.
Hey guys, so we've been shopping for a while now, and the snow has slowly turned into sleet and a bit of rain mixed into it. It's absolutely freezing, and there's actually a few protests going on as well. I see a few gatherings of people around Insadong, like the one behind me right there. We're almost done with shopping, and we're probably gonna head back indoors somewhere, maybe into a mall or something, because it's way too cold to be walking around. Can you see all the snow in my face? Oh my god. Successful shopping day. We managed to get a bunch of stuff. Finally, we're heading home now, just waiting for the train. And it's so cold. It's probably around like 7 or 8. So by the time we get home, we'll be like 9 or something. So anyway, this is the end of the vlog for today. Hopefully you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all in the next video.
Pictures I'm living through.